Hi, this is a video on how to set up a trigger. Trigger is a functionality which notify the user when metric hit certain benchmark or when it goes beyond the normal limit. Also, you can use triggers to track metrics if they are exceptionally low or vice versa. So let's see how to create a trigger. Provide a name, provide an email subject, which will be the subject used for email notification. Now provide a content for the email. Now click here to enable the trigger. Provide the trigger type as metric and provide a time period on which the condition we set going to be evaluated. Now select a metric, operator and a value. For instance, if the manager or team lead needs to be notified when the metric revenue goes below 30,000, you can set a condition like this. Here you can set a filter to apply the evaluation only for a specific location or facility, etc. Set a notification frequency. If it is real time, you will be notified as soon as the condition is met. If it is daily, the condition will be evaluated at the end of the day and then be notified. And finally, set a notification target, meaning you need to specify to whom the notification to be sent. Trigger initiator implies to the person to whom the metric is credited. For example, if a person A doesn't achieve the benchmark of 30,000 revenue, and if the target you set is trigger initiator, a mail will send to person A to notify about this incident. So if it is trigger initiator's manager, then the notification will be sent to his manager instead. If it is trigger owner, then the person who created the trigger will get the notification. If you select the user email, then it will be sent to the email that you specify in this field. And if it is a TV channel, the alert will be displayed on active channel you select. Also, optionally, you can add more targets and click on create to create this trigger. So once it has been triggered, this is how the notification looks like. Thank you for watching.